Hi everybody, welcome back. So I just wanted to do my first video showing my Bandai Group Build, Darth Vader, and that this is the start of the build. And I just wanted to show everybody that it was still all in the package, just like I had shown in my initial video. So starting today, I'm going to start building this. So I just wanted to get this out there, show you guys, hey, hadn't started it previously or anything like that. Today is March 2nd, and I'm going to start working on this for the group build for March. And thank you to Munchkin Man 72 and Hobby Time with Papa Dan. Thank you very much for putting on this group build. And I'm looking forward to finishing this. Hopefully it won't take me all month. But yeah, looking forward to this build. We'll see how it turns out. So just a real quick video to say, hey, I'm getting started. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.